Welcome to DBC Aquatics, the premier destination on YouTube for aquarium enthusiasts and aquascape artists. Step into an aquatic paradise where the beauty of underwater ecosystems comes to life. Whether you're a seasoned aquarist or just beginning your journey, our channel offers a treasure trove of content, from stunning fish tanks and aquatic plants to the intriguing world of invertebrates. Discover the art and science of aquascaping, dive deep into the care of fish and invertebrates, and learn about the benefits of deep substrate fish tanks. Our expert guides and tutorials will help you create and maintain the aquarium of your dreams, while our breathtaking video tours showcase some of the most inspiring aquariums and aquascapes from around the globe. At DBC Aquatics, we're passionate about sharing the joy and beauty of aquatic life. With new videos regularly uploaded, you'll find endless inspiration and advice for your aquarium, fish tanks, and aquascaping projects. Subscribe and turn on notifications to join our vibrant community of aquatic enthusiasts. Your adventure in the mesmerizing world of aquariums and aquatic biodiversity starts here at DBC Aquatics. Subscribe today to explore the wonders of aquatic plants, fish, and invertebrates with us. Let's embark on this underwater journey together and create breathtaking underwater worlds in your own home.